What's up guys, it's Katie and today's video is going to be redesigning and reorganizing my laptop. So I have a MacBook, so a lot of these tips are more centered around MacBooks, but some of the things that I do can apply to any computer that you have. I'm really excited to share these tips. I'm hoping to make my laptop more organized and more aesthetic looking to my liking, so let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to go over is my desktop wallpaper. So I've had this wallpaper for about 3 years and I'm kind of getting old of it, so we're going to go ahead and change it. I really like how I divided each thing or theme into a different section, so schoolwork, YouTube, and then photos. So I'm going to kind of do a similar thing like that but make it a little more to my liking. So we're going to go into this program called Canva, and this is what I use to do all of my designs and edits. This is a really great program and it's free, but you can upgrade it to Canva Pro if you want. So here is the old version, as you can tell, and we're just going to copy this and start all over again. So as I was looking, I found this template that I really liked that has this Polaroid in it, and I thought I could use this Polaroid instead of the boxes. I could do something to spice it up a bit more. So I'm just going to delete everything out of here, delete this text, and then delete the background. So we're kind of starting fresh with just the Polaroid. What I'm going to do is, let me just find this. Okay, so I have my Polaroid and this can be deleted. These purple lines are really nice because it shows you kind of what the center of the whole entire page is. So I'm going to make these a little bit smaller and center them. Then I'm going to hit Command C and then Command V, and that's just copy and pasting it. And I'm just going to get them centered, and I'm going to have 3 of them because I do want it similar to my last one. I just want to change up some things. Once I have that, it's time to add the text. We're going to go to Add Heading, and then I'm going to type in Photos. We'll do that one first. And I want it in all caps, so I'm going to click this uppercase button so I don't have to redo it. And we'll make this black. Then we'll just copy and paste this again. Paste, oops. Copy, paste. And then we'll do YouTube. And then paste again. And then over here we'll do school dash work. Okay, so once we have all of those titles, I'm going to be changing the font just because this font is a little too much for me. So I'm going to use this font called, I think it's Selena, something like that. So I'm going to shrink it to fit the box. And then you can just make it as small or as big as you would like. I'm just going to make this a little smaller. Okay, so now we have the very basic bones of this, and the last step that I'm going to add is a background photo. So you can go to background, and they have tons of different options for what you can choose. So if you want like a watery background, that looks really cool. If you want something more simple, like a little leaf in the corner, ooh, that one looks really cool. I think I'm going to do like a naturey one that's a little more pastel-y and less dark. So I'm just going to quickly find that, and I'm very indecisive, so it might take me a while, so we're just going to fast forward through that part. And that is how you create a very easy wallpaper, and it's very customizable. It works for any computer, so you don't need a Mac. I think it's really cute, and I love how organized it is. The next step we're going to do is changing the color icons on my laptop. So as you can see, most of them are already changed just because I was trying it out and seeing what I wanted. But these blue folders are the typical blue ones that just come already. I don't know what it's called, like they're the standard ones. And yeah, they're kind of fine, but I want to make them a little cuter, so we're going to add a little personal touch. Super easy, so I'm going to show you. So we're going to go to Google, and then in here you just type in like pink PNG. As you can see, I've already done the photo section and then the YouTube. I just wanted to make sure that I kind of knew what I wanted for the icons. So this is super easy to follow along with. So basically, open up Google and search what kind of icon you want. So let's search school. Okay, and then you can pick whatever thing you want. I'm gonna go with this back to school neon sign. So what you're gonna do is hit Control, click, go to copy image. Then you're gonna go back to your desktop. I'm gonna do it under my internship folder. That's already changed, but I don't really like that. You're gonna go to get info. Then at the top, you can see that there's this little cloud icon that turns blue when you click on it. So it will be outlined in blue. You just hit Command V, which is paste. And then it pastes in your little picture that you wanted. And it looks like that. I think it's super cute, and I'm gonna do this with the rest of them. I really like the neon with the background and everything. I think this look really cool. So if you go ahead and click on one of the icons, like this one, it is actually a folder, as you can tell. So I think that's super cute. It hides this is the standard blue folder, and it looks so much better this way, the neon sign way, or like whatever emojis or pictures you want to use, than the blue folder. And while we're at it, I'm actually going to be removing stuff from my dock just to clean it up a bit, stuff that I don't use, like maps, contacts. I don't really use Pages or Keynote. And this is just going to clean it up a bit. These icons are just going to be a little bigger, and it's just going to look a little more neat. So I think I'm going to keep that for now. And that is my desktop so far. Okay, so that portion is done, and obviously I might kind of tweak those a little bit, but I really like how they're starting to look. The next part is getting a flip digital clock on your screensavers. Okay, so I just searched flip clock on Google, and this is what I came up with. It's called Fill Glow, something like that. This is what the preview of the screensaver will look like. So don't click any of like these random ads. Go all the way down here. There's one for Windows, and then there's one for Mac. So you would click download for Mac or whatever computer you're on. And then I'm just going to drag it to my desktop. Once you have that, you're going to double click it, and then it will open the file. And then after it finishes opening it, you just double click this and it will save it to your system preferences. So I already did that. So we're going to go into my preferences, if I can figure out how to do this. Once you're here, you go to desktop and screensaver, and it will be down here at the bottom. And let's do preview. That's what it looks like. So I just think it's really, really cute and very simple. I'm sure you're also all wondering why it's so late. I actually had to redo my screen recording, so I'm just doing it, and it's 11:25 p.m. at night. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to be doing is called momentum. So let's just search momentum up on Google, and this, okay, well, there's the definition. This is going to give you a really pretty personal dashboard. So it's going to look like this. I think it looks super cute. This is a Google Chrome extension, so you need Chrome for this. So I'm just going to hit add to momentum. It'll take you to the Chrome store, add extension, and then it will add it up there. Okay, so once you're done with that, type in your information. Okay, so once you've created your information, there's a place to add a to-do list. So you can say, my main focus is to edit video. And once that's done, you can just hit check and it crosses it off. I think this is a very positive thing. There's also a little to-do tab over here, and then it will show the weather. Although I don't live there, it will show the weather. So yeah, and if you type in here, literally anything, docs, it will bring you right to Google. So there you go. But yeah, I think it's really, really pretty, and it's kind of inspiring whenever you open Google. It's not opening just some boring, like, recently used websites. It's opening something pretty and very motivating. So hope you guys enjoyed that little trick. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love how my laptop looks now. It's very organized, it's very neat, it fits to what I need, and I think it's really, really cute also. So I hope you guys like this organization video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!